1966 Volkswagen Beetle Dune Buggy. Price, $3,800. Location, Weberville, Michigan. A fun and compact 1966 Volkswagen Beetle-based T-model dune buggy built for simple, lightweight off-road enjoyment and weekend cruising. Powered by a stock 1,600 cubic centimeters Volkswagen air-cooled engine, this buggy delivers the classic VW driving experience with dependable, easy-to-maintain mechanicals. Designed by an experienced VW and dune buggy builder, it reflects practical craftsmanship and a focus on recreational fun rather than complexity. This custom buggy features a red crushed suede interior, a white convertible-style soft top, and removable side curtains, giving it both style and versatility for different driving conditions. Recent upgrades include new coilover shocks for improved ride quality, a new generator, and a new starter for enhanced reliability. The vehicle also comes equipped with a set of paddle tires for off-road use, along with a tow bar for easy transport. Our dream is simple. We're hoping to reach just 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoy our content, please consider subscribing and supporting our journey. Your encouragement means more than you know and helps us continue creating videos. Every subscription is a small act of kindness that keeps our passion alive. Thank you sincerely. 2010 Hot Rod Roadster. Price, $4,500. Location, Flower Mound, Texas. Fully customized 2010 club car, Hot Rod Roadster style 48 VIQ electric golf cart designed to resemble a classic Hot Rod Roadster while delivering quiet, efficient electric performance. This eye-catching custom build features a full fiberglass body conversion that gives it a vintage-inspired street rod appearance, making it stand out far beyond a standard golf cart. Built for neighborhood cruising, resort use, or show-style display, it blends playful design with practical electric mobility. The cart includes a custom front suspension system and upgraded steering setup, providing improved handling and a more car-like driving feel compared to standard utility carts. It rides on custom wheels and features LED headlights along with teardrop-style LED taillights that enhance both visibility and its retro aesthetic. A rear passenger seat adds practicality, allowing for additional seating for passengers during short trips or recreational use. 1955 milligrams London Roadster Kit Car. Price, $11,500. Mileage, 20,000 miles. Location, Fresno, California. charming 1955 MG-style London Roadster kit car built on a Volkswagen platform, blending classic British roadster aesthetics with dependable VW mechanicals. Registered as a 1970 Volkswagen and supported by full documentation and original paperwork dating back to its 1984 sale, this unique vehicle carries both history and character. It has had only 2 owners and remains in clean, well-preserved condition for its age, making it an appealing entry into the world of vintage-style kit cars. Powered by a Volkswagen air-cooled engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, this Roadster delivers a light, engaging driving experience with easy-to-maintain mechanics. 1926 Ford T-Bucket Touring Hot Rod. Price: $12,500. Mileage: 500 miles. Location: Benton, Arkansas. Classic 1926 Ford T-Bucket style touring hot rod built for cruising, shows, and special events, combining vintage Ford styling with powerful American V8 performance. This custom build is powered by a strong 454 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, delivering effortless torque and a smooth, street-friendly driving experience. Designed more for fun and presence than speed records, it offers the unmistakable sound and feel of a traditional big block hot rod. The drivetrain is supported by a Chevy 10-bolt rear end, providing reliable power delivery, while front disc brakes and rear drum brakes ensure balanced stopping performance. A flaming river steering box improves handling precision and driving control, making it more enjoyable for low-speed cruising and parade use. 1968 Volkswagen Beetle Kit Car. Price: $4,000. Mileage: 300 miles. Location: Mentor, Ohio. A unique 1968 Volkswagen Beetle-based kit car styled after a 1934 Fraser Nash, offering vintage pre-war aesthetics built on the reliable and widely supported VW platform. Titled and registered as a 1968 Volkswagen historical vehicle, this custom build combines classic British-inspired styling with the simplicity and durability of air-cooled engineering, making it an interesting blend of replica craftsmanship and mechanical practicality. Powered by a 1,500 cubic centimeters single-port Volkswagen Boxer engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, this lightweight kit car delivers a simple, engaging driving experience. The engine runs and drives well, offering the familiar reliability of the classic Beetle platform while maintaining an old-school mechanical feel that suits its vintage-inspired design. 1961 Austin Healey Bugeye Sprite. Price: $9,000. Mileage: 111,111 miles. Location: Artesia, California. A classic 1961 Austin Healey Bugeye Sprite that captures the pure, lightweight spirit of early British roadsters. This honest, largely stock example retains its original character and vintage charm, making it a solid entry-level classic for enthusiasts who appreciate simple, engaging driving dynamics. Powered by its original-style engine, the car runs and sounds good, offering the small displacement, rev-happy performance that made the Sprite a beloved sports car of its era. Recent mechanical work totaling approximately $2,500 includes a new fuel pump and general servicing to keep it roadworthy and reliable. Key functions such as headlights and wipers are in working order, and the car remains currently registered with a clean California title that matches the original VIN plate. 1972 Volkswagen Baja Bug Turbo. Price: $7,500. Mileage: 20,000 miles. Location: Suamico, Wisconsin. A performance-focused 1972 Volkswagen Baja Bug powered by a turbocharged 1,776 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine, built for fun, reliability, and real-world street and highway driving. This turnkey Baja has been regularly driven, including long-distance highway trips, proving its capability as more than just a weekend toy. The turbo setup, TD05-12A, running around 15 psi, is paired with dual HPMX40 blow-through carburetors, delivering strong, responsive power while maintaining classic Volkswagen simplicity. The drivetrain is upgraded for durability and spirited driving, featuring an IRS Type 1 setup, new CV axles, poly bushings, a Stage 2 Kennedy pressure plate, a 6-puck clutch, and transmission straps for added strength. 1978 mg Roadster. Price: $4,000. Mileage: 1,000 miles. Location: Lake Charles, Louisiana. A fully rebuilt 1978 mg Roadster-style project that has been transformed from a bare shell into a unique, fun, and fully functional classic convertible. This father and son restoration features a completely rebuilt original engine, upgraded suspension components, and a fully refreshed electrical system, ensuring that all lights and core systems operate properly. With over $12,000 invested in the build, this MG delivers a strong blend of originality, customization, and driving enjoyment. Finished in a distinctive Lotus Krypton green, inspired paint scheme with a durable bedliner-coated interior, this MG emphasizes durability and practicality while maintaining its classic British sports car character. The exterior presents a clean, bold look. 1991 JZR Honda Trike. Price: $12,000. Mileage: 19,000 miles. Location: Highlands, North Carolina. A rare 1991 JZR Honda-powered trike, hand-built in England by John Ziemba Restoration, JZR. Designed as a faithful modern interpretation of the classic 1930s Morgan three-wheeler. This unique machine blends vintage aircraft-inspired styling with reliable Honda mechanical engineering, creating a lightweight, open-air driving experience that feels closer to piloting a vintage aircraft than a conventional road car. Notably, this example is believed to be the only JZR built with left-hand steering, adding to its uniqueness and collector appeal. Originally owned by the chief designer of Hot Wheels at Mattel, this trike carries an interesting design lineage and historical connection to automotive toy culture. Over the past 35 years, it has been extensively upgraded, including new wiring, dual radiators, articulated front and rear hatches, a period-correct windscreen, and an electric reverse system for improved usability. Ford Track T Roadster. Price: $1,500. Location: United States. A highly modified Track T-style Ford Roadster built on a custom chassis and completed around 2010, now powered by a strong Chevrolet 383 cubic-inch stroker V8 installed in 2022. This lightweight hot rod is built for performance and straight-line excitement, combining classic T-bucket styling with modern fuel injection technology. The engine is equipped with an Edelbrock Pro Flow 4 electronic fuel injection system and Sanderson headers, delivering improved throttle response, drivability, and reliable high-output performance. Power is routed through a TCI TH350 automatic transmission paired with a Ford rear end, creating a durable drivetrain setup suited for aggressive driving. The suspension features 4-bar setups front and rear with Bilstein coilovers, offering improved stability and handling for a lightweight fiberglass-bodied hot rod. Wilwood disc brakes provide strong stopping power, while staggered weld Magnum wheels wrapped in Hoosier slicks, including massive 31 by 16.5 rear tires, emphasize its drag-focused design.